This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Watch List and Market Report for the week ending September 9th, 2023. Our question this week is, what is the World Economic Forum, or WEF? The answer will be provided later in the video. This week, the market ended lower. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.22% on Friday, but was down minus 0.75% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 0.14% on Friday, but was down minus 1.29% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 0.09% on Friday, but was down minus 1.93% for the week. Looking at the week, we can see that there were 4 up finishes versus 8 down finishes for the major indexes. On Monday, the market was closed. On Tuesday and Wednesday, all the major indexes finished down. On Thursday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average finished up, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq finished down. And on Friday, all the major indexes finished up. New unemployment claims were 216,000. United Auto Workers president called GM's 10% pay increase insulting. Mortgage demand dropped to a 27-year low. Oil prices rose to a 9-month high, and ChargePoint Holdings Incorporated reported a second quarter loss and missed revenue estimates. New unemployment claims, an auto workers union rejecting management's offer, mortgage demand dropping to a 27-year low, oil prices rising to a 9-month high, and a major EV charging company losing money and missing revenue estimates are all news. And news drives the market, good and bad. Day-to-day predictions on whether the market is going to go up or down are virtually impossible because predicting the news is impossible. However, the market is rigged to go up. It does not go up every day or even every week, but the market will generally go up over time. Stock prices move in a random fashion. They go up and down with an upward drift. Now we are at our question of the week. What is the World Economic Forum, or WEF? The World Economic Forum is an international organization that espouses public-private cooperation. The organization was founded in 1971 by Klaus Schwab, which happens to be the same year that the U.S. went off the gold standard. The forum holds a major meeting in Davos, Switzerland every year that is attended by the foremost political, business, and other leaders of society to shape global, regional, and industry agendas. Notice I said agendas and not problems. Their policies can literally change the world and, of course, your stocks. Has WEF policies affected your stocks? Or do you own any stocks at all? If not, why not? Is it because you do not understand anything about the stock market? Well, it was not taught to you in school. If you ever want to learn how to get wealth and income through the stock market, you are going to have to teach yourself. You must RSI, that is read, save, and invest. Formal school taught you how to read, but society and the powers that be discourages you from reading, especially books. School taught you to be a worker. They did not teach you how to be an investor, and they taught you absolutely nothing about the U.S. financial system. You can learn how to be an investor if you simply start reading books and watching YouTube videos about investing. However, books and videos will not tell you which direction the market is going to go, but you can learn how to make money in the market no matter what the market does. I don't know which way the market is going to go on a daily basis, and I don't care. I trade the market as it is, not as it should be. I take what the market gives me, whether it's going up, down, or sideways. How do I do that? I apply the Southside strategy. You can learn more about the Southside trading strategy at southsideschoolofFinancialFreedom.com. Here is the Southside trading watch list from the week ending September 9th, 2023. The strongest performer on the list this week was Fisker Incorporated, ticker symbol FSR in the third column. It increased 0.16% on Friday and was up 4.7% for the week. Fisker Inc. designs and develops electronic vehicles. They are building a technology-enabled asset-light automobile business model for the automotive industry. The company's Fisker Flexible Platform Agnostic Design, or FFPAD, is a process that allows the design and development of vehicles to be adopted to various EV platforms. Fisker plans to market and sell its vehicles directly to customers by using its digital platforms. Looking at a summary of results, you can see that Fisker has decreased more than 14% year to date. I generated cash flow from Fisker this week. Whether a stock goes up or down, you can generate cash flow from it. Whether you own a stock or not, you can still generate cash flow from it using the Southside strategy. The Southside trading strategy involves trading for weekly cash flow. That is trading for income. SPY is shown at the bottom of the third column. SPY is the S&P 500 ETF. This is the benchmark I compare my trading performance to. My objective is to beat the S&P 500 index while at the same time generating cash flow. Most professional money managers do not consistently outperform the S&P 500 index. They usually lose and lose badly to the index. Thus, most investors and traders should just invest in or trade a market index fund or ETF like SPY. What do you do? Do you beat the S&P 500 index? Do you have a watch list? What is your investing and or trading strategy? How well do you do against the S&P 500 index ETF SPY? Let me know in the comments section. Are you willing to share your strategy? The Southside Portfolio Cash Flow System is outperforming the S&P 500 ETF SPY. The Southside Portfolio is up 28.53% versus 16.5% up for SPY, a difference of 12.03%. The Southside is beating SPY by more than 12%. The cash flow generated by the Southside cash flow system for this week was 2.19% of the portfolio account value. The account value changed by 1.81%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 ETF SPY changed by minus 1.26%. Bitcoin watch. Bitcoin gained 0.3% this past week and still appears to be on the verge of a bull market. Though it is down more than 62% from its all-time high, which was achieved in November 2021, it is up more than 56% year to date. I sold option contracts on 3 positions this week, 1 call and 2 puts that range from $13.34 to $65.34. You can get more details, including the total dollar amount of cash flow for the week, on the website, SouthsideSchoolOfFinancialFreedom.com. In order to increase your financial IQ and understanding of the stock market, please check out our past videos and our publication for other questions of the week. The videos are organized in playlist levels 1, 2, and 3. They are also arranged in playlists by subject matter. In the meanwhile, please like, share, and subscribe.